All right, let's see if the volume is picked up. This is a new and improved angle here.
Yeah.
This is our shout out guy. How about a shout out? What do you got today?
Okay.
Shout out guy.
Okay. I wanna shout out to Robert P. Jones. I am the small boy you wanted to adopt when the American base was still here. I'm a family man now. I hope you're still alive and we'll meet and to say hello. Shout out to my basher. I have a message for you. Do you know that if I have no sale today, I will go home empty-handed? There's only one. There's only one. I have advantage over you. We have no random shooting here. We respect the tourists and the expat as well. Shout out to my good friend Mike Bickwith. Shout out to Sam McKinley. Shout out to Tony from Canada. Shout out to Mike from Manchester, England. Shout out to John from England. Shout out to Papsi, the swagman from Western Australia. Shout out
To Philly in the Philippines.
yeah, later on.
All right. All right, guys, I am just going to wander around and see how this new set. Guys, I thank you for all your comments about, hey, Philly, the camera's doing this, or this view is this, or whatever. Thank you for all your comments. I got to get this thing set up straight. It's a new camera, like I said, so I'm figuring it out. I'm just going to wander up Walking Street here. It's about 11 o'clock. Overcast. Turning my body. Let me show you. See if I can get it in the thing here. Camera's mounted on my bag. See how it works out. People will think I'm talking to myself. So if I'm in a straight line, you're going to get my view. If I turn, you're going to get what you see when I turn. Let me get out in the middle of the street here. Like I said, I don't know how the sound is on this either, because it's a good foot or so away from me. People said, slow down. Well, I'll slow down on my walk. I'll act like a tourist. Hotcakes, coffee. Noodles. Lunchtime. There's old Kokomo. And of course Angel Witch, which always plays music, so I gotta run by there real quick, because everybody's gotta hear that music, right? Right here on the right. Right here. Hey, quit harassing them women. Leave them women alone. You're harassing them. Yeah. Bar Nana. Girls were standing out earlier. I don't know what happened to them. Morning shift, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Night shift, 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. All right. And the Viking. Oh, I get run over.
Viking, sir.
No, I'm good, buddy. It's too early for me. They didn't notice. also a test to see if I'm noticed. We'll walk down this side and walk up the other side. Under renovation. See you soon, Opal. This is a test. This is only a test. For rent, bar and restaurant, YouTube video key. Tourist money exchange, 7-Eleven. Stalls for rent. Tattoo. Nothing ever went in here. There was a drugstore in there, South Star. That's gone. We will walk up the other side of the street also. That side where the Baccarat is. Gold bar. Oh, somebody asked me about the stars and the names on the sidewalk here. I think in the past when they redid this, people bought into that, bought the stars. That's how, that's my understanding. There's names on there, there's old clubs on there, there's restaurants on there, just a multiple variety of people. Oh, go in the middle of the street here. Powell, hiring girls. Lunchtime. 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 Time to eat now. She's seen it. One. There's Eddie. What's up, Eddie? House restrictions. Firearms, any belated weapons, cameras, video games, cell phones, or building cameras, minors under influence of drugs and liquor, PNP and military type attire. Those are the restrictions for bingo, huh? Bingo club, right? Drinking. Oh, bingo machine. All right. So it's not a bar drinking. All right. There it is. Welcome to paradise. Welcome to paradise. A lot of activity down here in the morning with resupplying of all your bars. All right, let's wander on the other side of the street here. That's a Maserati Korean restaurant. That's Kumon KTV upstairs. All right. Let's wander up this sidewalk. Looks like they have a live band right here, huh? Kind of like a stage setup. Pyromania. Friday and Saturday. Classic rock night. I think it's Saturday. 7 to 11. Wine O'Key every Wednesday. Hey, come back here. Let me show you what's back here. Castle Massage, Aimlessly. Oh, their music. Bunny Ranch Bar. Ranch Z Bar. Huh. What? Just reading the sign, huh? I would wander in there a little farther, but hear the music. Walkabout hotel or walk around hotel, whatever you want to call it. Rates start at $19.50 a night, less 20% discount. We offer a 3-hour stay at 450 pesos. Huh. What's up, Eddie? How's business? Good?
Okay.
Business good?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Keep up the good work, Eddie.
Thank you, sir.
All right. You gotta respect to that man, because he's got a disability, but it doesn't stop him from making a peso. That's his business. Good for him. Used to wandering up and down Walking Street. Here comes Birdman. All right, buddy. He's got his wife following him. Excuse me. It's lunchtime, so a lot of the girls are eating. Oh, boy. Lunchtime. All right, let's continue our walk.
Hi, brother.
Hi, buddy. Genesis?
Yeah, it's open.
Oh,
Look, inside.
not now. Maybe later. Girl seen it. I heard her say something about a camera. Yeah, I'd say they're doing renovations. I'd say they're doing renovation, huh? Oh, is that a pop bar? Which bar is this? Which bar is this? Opa. Oh, Opa. Okay. All right. All right, buddy. What's up, Birdman? I see stuff going on in here. Coming up on the Loud Angel weights again. Let me jump across the street. Get away from the loud music. Actually, I don't hear it. Huh. Angel Witch turned their music down. It's a little loud, but not like before. Am I walking too fast? Am I walking too slow? How's the angle? Is it bouncing? Got to work out the bugs, that's all. Like I said, I appreciate you guys putting your input in as far as the quality and what you think and what I need to adjust. Just got to find that perfect setting, right? Club Sky. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Leave the comments below. Hopefully the sound is picked up. I gotta get out of here at night. Check out the quality here at night. I'll just walk up here between Phillies and NB. Good buddy. Let me know how the bouncing is. Stabilization's on, guys. I think I'm shooting right now at 4K 30. I forget what I set it to. I don't want to look right now because I'm in the middle of filming, right? Alright guys, that's the end of our walk. Like I said, leave the comments below. Let me know what you think and we'll talk to you later.